Hey there, today I'll tell you how to get YouTube on Apple TV. It's very simple. First on your Apple TV, open the App Store app, then search for YouTube TV and click the search result. Click Get to download and install the YouTube TV app on your Apple TV. When the app has downloaded and installed, click Open. You can subscribe directly from inside the app. Subscribe to YouTube TV and then click Sign In. In a web browser on a computer, phone or tablet, open a web browser and follow the on-screen instruction to sign in to your YouTube TV account. Once you have completed the sign into your account on your computer or device, your account is linked to the Apple TV app. At this point, the app will automatically take you to the home page and you can start watching TV. And that's how you can get YouTube TV on Apple.